Hi there everyone, LIFDIYJOSIE here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. Get one large shallow rectangular metal wire basket and two smaller deep square gold metal baskets. Connect one of the two small baskets with a zip tie inside the rectangular basket. Make sure that this basket is sitting right at the bottom of the rectangular basket. I'm putting two zip ties right at the center into two slots, one on top of the other. I did so to ensure that they are covered later on by the things that I'm putting inside. Because if I tie the zip ties on the side, they may be protruding and I want to keep it clean as much as possible. Connect the second basket above the first basket, but I'm making sure that it is positioned on the first slat of the rectangular basket towards the top so that there'll be enough space and clearance between the two baskets. Connect using 3 zip ties this time instead of just 2 because the top portion or the top basket will not have the advantage that the bottom basket has, which is sitting at the bottom side of the rectangular basket, making the top basket suspended. So you would need an extra zip ties to reinforce the connection so that whatever weight or load it will carry, then it would hold up. Well, I used heavy-duty zip ties here, not just the smaller or medium-sized zip ties. I used the large ones to ensure stability. And here it is, the finished project. Very simple, only takes a couple of minutes to complete. And as you can see, this is also freestanding, but you can also hang it up on the wall like what I'm doing here. As an example, I'm using it as a bath towel organizer in my bathroom. So you could separate all the bath towels or the hand towels and the face towels, and this will be able to keep them organized. You can also use this on top of your kitchen counter to organize some lemons or potatoes or even any other fruits that you might want to organize. And I use the command hook just to demonstrate the load-bearing capacity of this organizer. I hung it on the door of our pantry. You can use this also to organize your hot drinks or beverage station. It's perfect for coffee pods, tea bags, and hot cocoa. The possibilities are endless for this multi-purpose, versatile organizer. You can use it anywhere around the house, even inside your pantry. As you can see here, I put several tea at the bottom and I've included a small jar of sugar. Each basket can hold up to 20 coffee pods, a total of 40 pods. I really like this a lot because it can really hold up well, whether it's freestanding on the table or on the countertop and hanging on the wall. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!